walk through this example because this woman didn't think she could be categorized so light. But I'm going to walk you through why it is actually true, and somebody with a tan or not a tan, as I've discussed previously, doesn't change the season. So here's my beautiful client, is one of the photos that she sent to me inside versus an outdoor photo where you can see she does look significantly darker and more tan. I ultimately seasoned her as a light summer, and I want to walk you through some examples from that analysis to show you why. She is indeed a light summer and not a light spring. So first off, light spring is her sister season. Great. So she technically could wear the color on the left, sure. However, she is more harmonious in the right. The left is going to pick up a little bit more flush in the cheeks. She doesn't seem as even and cohesive. What I want to show you here is I also added in the photo where she is more tan. And you can see once again, it is the same result. So it didn't matter that she was more tan, that therefore she is going to then be a warm season. Guys, as we know, being tan does not equate to having a warm undertone. Let's look at another example. Spring being on the left, summer being on the right. As you can see, that green, even just on the under eye, picks up right there for her, and it just makes her a little bit more green. So therefore, she's going to look a little bit more sallow when she goes out. Once again, could she wear this as it's part of her sister season? Sure. Will she look 10 times better in the right? Yes, of course, her eyes definitely stealing the show with a color like aqua versus this color green. Now you said, but Boston, she has a little bit of a darker eyebrow. Her natural hair color is probably a little bit more of that dishwater kind of blonde. What about a soft summer? Even with the slightly more contrast, the soft summer is just not great for her. Why? Because it is making her a little bit more gray. On the right, she actually appears to be way more 3D. And her comment about being washed out in some of the lighter summer colors, yes. Like I just talked on the previous slide, she does have a little bit more of that contrast. She has a deeper brow. What does that mean? Well, that means she has a little bit more value. These palettes are a range. So someone that is typed in the light summer, but also has even lighter eyes, lighter hair, lighter eyebrows, will look great in this. But she's gonna need to stay in the medium range of the palette in these a little bit more saturated colors. So is it that she can't, well, you can't wear then all your colors of your palette? No, you can, but you need to start choosing the ones that meet your depth, if that makes sense. As always, I am here to help. If you have questions about your analysis,